By the way, good morning, sir. I am Ryan G. Pinaso from B Scream 3 Charlie. I'm reciting the Ten Commandments of the Safety Driving. So, there are the 10 commandments of safety driving, as a driver will say. First, I will not drive when drunk, nor drowsy, nor fatigued. Second, I will not pass without care on curbs, nor hills, nor the view is unseen by my eyes. 3. I will not violate speed laws, nor exceed speed limits. 4. I do not disobey highway sign and traffic signals. 5. I do not make a twist without signaling my intentions. 6. I do not accelerate my speed at school playground, hospital, and other dangerous zones. 7. I will not be careless when crossing at intersections. 8. I do not glare my headlights on approaching cars at night. 9. I will slow down when twilight comes and unsafe road conditions are before me. 10. I will be courteous and respectful of the rights of every driver and pedestrian.